If you dry your clothes on one of these but want softer towels, this video is for you. Towels, as we know, are usually made out of cotton. Cotton is amazing at wicking moisture away from the body. It's also really breathable, and it's breathable because it has tiny pockets of air inside it, and this air is usually smashed out when we put it through a machine cycle. Washing and also general use of the towel is also going to flatten these loops. So towels are super dense so they can hold more moisture, but as we wash and use them, these loops get flattened. So to loosen the fibres, get more air into the cotton, and to get those loops the way you want them, shake the towel before you put it on the air dryer. Like, give it a good shake. These are wet right now. I haven't shaken these. You can see that they're just a bit limp and flat. I have shaken these, and you can see even while wet, they're already a lot fluffier. And if you are a fan of super soft towels, ditch the fabric softener. It is so bad for toweling. It stops them doing what they need to do. It overloads the fibres because it's designed to stay on the fabric, which means towels won't be as absorbent. They'll probably end up smelling over time. They'll take longer to dry. Each of these loops is overloaded and it can't do what it's supposed to do. The characteristics of the cotton won't be able to perform. Instead, use a cup of distilled white vinegar at the rinse stage of the cycle. It will whiten, it'll brighten. Also, it'll remove hard water deposits from the fibres that also can end up leaving towels quite crunchy.